This storm will have its impact on central Texas, especially on the roads. There is a potential for ice on roads, as Andy was just mentioning, bridges and overpasses. Channel 6 News reporter Kurtis Quillin spoke with TxDOT about how they're preparing for it all. He joins us live from the TxDOT Belton office tonight. Kurtis.
Well, Doug, real quick before we get into that, I want to say you might be able to see if I step right here. I think you can see the glare from some of the raindrops right about here on your TV screen on my camera lens. You mentioned we heard Chief Meteorologist Andy Anderson talk about precipitation moving into the area. It's actually pelting me in the face like BBs right now. Let me see if I can step out. I'm on the south side of the TxDOT Bell County office in Belton. That's right across the street from the Bell County Expo Center. And let me see if I can show you the flags out here and how strong they're gusting straight out of the north. That's picked up quite a bit since I got here just a little while ago. Now, TxDOT's been working on getting the roads ready since about Friday for tonight's storm. That doesn't mean, though, that they're just going to sit idly by as this storm continues to push its way here into central Texas.
We do it every day. We drive to work, we drive home, we run errands. But as Central Texas braces for a winter storm, that task could become dangerous as freezing rain, sleet, and possibly snow make their way into the area.
The conditions are going to be changing on the roadway from dry to wet to perhaps icy. Stay off of them if you can.
Since Friday, the Texas Department of Transportation has been preparing roads across the state for this incoming storm. Waco District spokesman Ken Roberts says there's two steps. The first comes before the weather changes.
Salt brine or saltwater solution, so that once those conditions begin, that material will begin to inhibit and some of the freezing.
More than 55,000 gallons of TxDOT salt brine has been sprayed across central Texas highways. But once the weather shifts, TxDOT hits the roads again.
Sand and magnesium chloride mix, our ice chat, to increase the traction as well as the de-icing capability.
As soon as the front moves into the area and ice forms on the roads, TxDOT's ice chat mix is spread on as many roads as they can get it on. And they ask you remember one thing if you must take to the streets during the storm.
And it's one of those situations you just have to be aware of the conditions and be prepared to react accordingly.
Well, Doug, we have two links to TxDOT websites that you can get the current conditions on any highway in the state of Texas. Those links are on our website, kcentv.com. The wind has started to howl here in Belton as this front continues to push its way in. We showed you the wind earlier. It's even stronger now after that story than it was when we first came here to Belton. Live in Belton tonight, Kurtis Quillin, Channel 6 News. Doug, back to you.
All right, Kurtis, thank you very much.